The idea of making a game and record the whole process has been in my mind for a long time. Since I started watching some of the videos of the Equinox game, of the Team Matrix channel, even before I started doing any coding, like I knew this was something that I want to do. In college, the programming language that I'm most learning is Java, so I decided to start this journey with a language that I'm most comfortable with, instead of like having to learn a new language. So instead of like going straight to Unit and having to also learn C#, I decided to search for a platform to develop games in 2D in Java. And that's when I found out about LibGDX. It's a platform for 2D games, and I believe they support 3D games too, but I'm not 100% sure. And one of the cool things about LibGDX is like there's not a lot of tutorials on YouTube like Unit. So I've been having to learn a lot of stuff by just reading the documentation and the develop guides that LibGDX offers. And this has been like a very interesting experience because there's a lot of stuff that is being way easier for me to learn from the documentation than for other people teaching me or tutorials and stuff like that. And I was always used to watching tutorials and learning stuff in school and by online courses. So it's been very interesting, pretty cool. Another cool thing about LibGDX is that there's a lot of people in the internet that says that you learn way more about coding and programming on LibGDX than Unit. So it's pretty interesting to use a platform like LibGDX before starting going deep on Unit. And the reason is because in Unit you pay way more attention on the designs and the graphics, and a lot of the code is just made for you. And this information I got on the internet through some research that I did. So if you already did some coding on LibGDX, if you know Unit and you don't agree with this and this just doesn't make sense, like that's cool, like you know better than me. Cool. Now about the art and the designs and the draws and the assets and stuff like that. I decided to use Inkscape to produce my assets, and I have zero experience with any digital drawing or digital design and stuff like that, and way less experience with drawing the paper itself. But that's okay, like I know it's gonna take a long time for me to be able to make something, make a good character, good draws, good background designs and stuff like that. But honest, like I'm not in a rush. The idea should be learning and getting better and having fun and like learning and see where it goes. I'm really focusing like small goals right now. I just want to make a cool character, make a nice animation, make him like go through the screen, go where I want him to go, make a cool background, give like some solid idea for the game, and then from there I just want to like make updates and just have ideas and just start implementing the game. And the only big like goal that I have is like I want to be able to finish this game, and I want to be able to deploy Android, iOS, and for the desktop as well. And I want to make all the background sounds, all the background music I want to make with my music, because I do produce music as well. And lately I've been like producing a lot of lo-fi music, and that's what kind of mood I want to give to this game. I want a game that you can like relax, listen to some lo-fi music and just trip on it. Like even that does have a lot of complex things to do, I just want you to like be able to relax. In this first video I was able to like stop in a place that I did the first version of my character, and at least one of them, because I do want to make more of them. I want to give options for the user, like to pick different characters to play with, basically. And I was able to put him on a screen, a game screen. And all the classes are like all apart, they're all very organized, and my main method is very clean, and basically everything it's on your place. So it's nice to have things organized. So now that I want to make this game bigger, like it's easier basically. I also already made some frames to be used for an animation, and this animation that I want to make is like I want to make whenever I move him through the screen, I want to make seems like he's running. This is not implemented yet, but that's the next step. Like I say, the goals right now are small, but they're important. I want to make him be able to run through the screen, and I want to also start developing an idea for the game and for what he's supposed to do and work on the background. I also need to develop a design of the back part of my character, because the idea of the game is to have this camera filming from the top down on like a 45-degree This is a project that's gonna take years and it starts right now. And I really hope that it can bring you some content that's gonna motivate you to learn and code. And like you can see, like I have no special talent, and even that way I'm able to like do some cool stuff. So it's possible. You just gotta really want and have some patience. This game still doesn't have a name, so while I'm developing and while I'm posting the videos, if you have any idea, please let me know, because I'm really horrible on giving names to things. And for the main character, I posted my e-stories asking for some ideas for the name, and so far we have Charles, Clodoaldo, Banzet, and Lanterna Verde, which means like English green light or something like that. So I didn't really like any of them. So if you still have like, they're cool, don't take me wrong, but it's not the right one, you know what I mean? So if you have any idea for a name for the main character, the green guy, please also let me know. So that's it. I hope you see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.